If you want to open a business in the UK and do it completely online, I would recommend to use Your Company Formations. They have a lot of different services and packages that you can use for the company registration. You can go to the compare all packages in order to see what are the differences between the packages. Also, from here you can change the type of company you want to establish. In general, for the business purposes, normally preferential is to use a limited company, and the section of limited companies you have 6 different packages, so you can go there and check what are the differences between these packages. So some of them have different options that you might need or do not need. For me personally, for the Shopify store, digital plan was more than enough. You can also have digital and print plan if you want to receive the printed version of the documents. But if you do not need the printed version of the documents, so digital documents are completely fine and you can use them anywhere you want. So if you don't want to pay extra, there is no need. So for the services, they take very cheap. It's just £2.45 for the digital plan, and then you have the additional £50 for the company's house fee for the registration. So this £50 you have to pay in all cases. In order to proceed with the company registrations, first of all, you need to choose a company name and check if that name is possible. So let's say test 123. So we will test it, and as you can see, this name is available, so you can just click save and continue, and then you should choose the package you want to use. For example, let's go with the digital one. Then you would have some kind of additional services that the Your Company Formations offers you. For example, if you want to have an address in London for the director or for the office, or mail forwarding services and so on, you can just click and add these services for the additional fee. Also, you have some free packages that you can add. For example, this one, free account consultation. You can have for free Google AdWords voucher, so it's like a $400 voucher, so why not? Then you can add also, that's it for free. Then you just click on agree and check out. After that, you would be redirected to the web page where you would just fill the company details, like who are you, what is your name, where do you live, what's the residency address, who else would be in the company, and what kind of shares you have, and so on. And when you fill all this detail, you would have to just submit the documents, and after that you would receive an email where it would suggest you to use an application called Credus. This application you would have to download on your phone and do the verification process. So verification process you can do with your passport, or if you are the UK resident, then you can do like a UK driver's license or national identity card used for the verification purposes. But if you are a foreigner like me, you can just use your passport, and that's it. But do not use the photo or a copy of the passport. You should have your passport in your hands to use it for the credits verification. It's very easy. You just need to take a photo and follow the instructions. So I'm sure you would do it very, very easy. After, what you might want to consider is that after verification, you probably would be asked to provide the additional documents that would prove your residential address. There are like a list of documents that you can provide, but most of them are for the UK resident people. But if you are a foreigner, you can use these documents. I used bank statement, but it was a specific bank statement because normally in Georgia, when we do a bank statement, a residential address is not indicated. So I had to specifically ask to my bank to include my residential address. So the details that you need to have on the document is your full name, your residential address, It should be dated within the last 3 months and should be in English and with some kind of bank stamp and signature. So if you have this document, you just upload it as requested. You send it via email, and then you have like 24 hours to wait, and then you would be registered within 24 hours. And all the documents would be provided via email that you can use after, and then that's it. So it's very easy, and they are always ready to help. Have a great support, very attentive. Hope this was helpful. If you have any questions or you want some clarifications, I'm here to help. Please leave a comment and I will try to answer as quick as I can. So see you in the next videos. Thank you. Bye bye.